In this video, we're going to work through a problem using L'Hopital's rule. So when we use L'Hopital's rule, and remember that's a French word for the discoverer of L'Hopital's rule, we are looking for an indeterminate form. So what we are looking for is when we plug in these values for x, what do we get? So let's take a look. If I plug in 5 in the denominator, I'll get 5 squared minus 3 times 5 minus 10. So that's 25 minus 15, which is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. Okay. And then in the denominator, I would get 5 minus 5, which is also 0. So this is the indeterminate form 0 over 0. It is a form where we can use L'Hopital's rule. Some of the other forms where we use L'Hopital's rule is infinity over infinity, just to name one. So what does L'Hopital's rule say? Well, it says that if you have the indeterminate form 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity, you can actually take the derivative of the numerator and the derivative of the denominator and then evaluate the limit. So let's look exclusively at the numerator. X squared minus 3x minus 10. The derivative would be 2x minus 3. And then x minus 5, the derivative would be just 1. Now you can evaluate the limit by plugging in 5. And that gives you 7. So I hope that helps a little bit with L'Hopital's rule. As you're working through them, really be checking those indeterminate forms to know if you can even apply L'Hopital's rule. So I hope this helps. If you have questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Bye for now.